Introducing the INVERMIG 500WE. This machine has adjustable amperage and voltage, detachable MIG torch, thermal protection, as well as AVR. It includes a scratch start TIG function that is suitable for mild steel and stainless steel projects. This model comes with a PFC power factor correction option. First, switch the machine on using the power switch located on the back. This is the mode selector button, which switches the mode between MMA welding, MIG welding, and scratch start TIG. This is the MIG welding parameter button. It is able to be switched between manual mode and synergic mode. This button is the latch button to switch between 2T and 4T welding mode. With this button, you can set the wire diameter that you will be using. This is the protective gas selector button. You can select flux-cored, CO2, or mix. This dial adjusts your amperage for MMA and wire speed in MIG mode. This is displayed by the screen on the left. This dial adjusts your voltage. This is displayed by the screen on the right. This is the dial used to adjust arc force in MMA mode and can be used to adjust crater voltage in MIG mode. This light is the power indicator. This light is the thermal protection indicator light. This light indicates the welding machine is in working state. This button is the set button, allowing you to adjust hot start time and current, VRD, and flow time. This button is the gas check button. Use it to see if the gas input is working properly. This is the save and load button, allowing the user to save a preset and load it again on later use. This is the power switch for the water tank. This is the water tank level window. You can fill the tank at the orange cap. This is the water tank drainage outlet. This is the water tank power fuse. This is the water outlet socket and inlet socket for the water tank. The wire feeder above has the same sockets. This is the interconnecting positive socket. This is the interconnecting control key cable socket. Connect your earth clamp to the negative socket indicated with the minus symbol. Connect your electrode holder to the positive socket indicated with the plus symbol. This dial is used to adjust the welding voltage. This button is the manual wire feeder button. This dial is used to adjust welding current and wire feed speed. This is the MIG torch socket where the torch is connected. This is the water input socket. And this is the water output socket. This is all used for the water-cooled torch. To load the wire, open the drum, and then unscrew the nut. Load your wire and secure it. Screw the nut back on. Guide the wire through into the back of the machine. Make sure that the wire is guided into the proper wire guide. And then close the cover of the drum. To guide the wire into the wire feeder, open the side hatch. Release the levers. Guide the wire through the wire feeders, and then secure the levers again. You can then close the side hatch. On the back, you will find the gas input nozzle, the control cable connector, and the interconnection cable socket. You will also find the output back water connector and input water connector. To connect the MIG torch correctly, ensure that the hole for the wire feeder aligns properly with the socket. Connect the socket and ensure it is screwed on securely. Connect the interconnecting cable to the positive socket on the back of the machine. Then connect the control cable and ensure it is screwed on firmly. Next, connect the gas input hose onto the gas input nozzle. Be sure to tighten the gas hose down. This is how it should look. At the back of the bottom machine, connect the control cable. Then connect the interconnecting positive cable. The gas hose can then be connected to the gas bottle or canister that is to be used. Secure it properly.